Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear brothers and sisters, this is Omar Sulaiman. Inshallah ta'ala, once again coming back to Mass ICNA. This is one of those conventions that's been growing and it gets more impressive every single year, alhamdulillah. It seems like they're improving the sessions, the crowd is getting bigger, the enthusiasm grows every single year. And this year, mashallah, you also have the knowledge retreat to add the serious element for those that want to come and spend some more time, inshallah ta'ala, learning and getting some more information in and really developing and learning from the tarbiyah of Mass. So I'm really excited to be here once again, inshallah ta'ala. This is a convention that I look forward to every single year. Mass ICNA have been doing great work all around the country. They're grassroots organizations. So to come together for this national convention and for this national knowledge retreat now gives us all an opportunity to exchange ideas and to grow our character together and to learn with one another, inshallah. So I look forward to benefiting from you, inshallah. Inshallah ta'ala, I'll see you there. Jazakumullahu khairan. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.